I just went bought a watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the crew, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so far when I ball out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudy's, a big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for both, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying clock, that shit still in the packages. If he say that he robbed me, he capping it. Really no niggas throw sevens like Kaepernick. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no, I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I step in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I shot the team for 600 on all I net. Like the fool like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some elegance. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, and strapped with a post, so I hope that you had to see. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is how they be telling it. Man, I'm finna take over, I'm stamping it. How you bang this shit, they selling ain't ripping shit. Left your dog in that rain and ain't help with it. How is you solid, you ain't never dealt with it. You see me, I come different, I'm blessed with it. We ain't got the rollie, it go with my necklace. 30 for both, you could die if you miss it. Can't do the show if it don't got a check with it. These niggas popo, I swear they irrelevant. Hating like I don't know, that's really jealous.
Say what about now?